Hey guys, the page fault in non-paged area error occurs when window attempts to access a part of memory that is either missing, corrupted or restricted, causing a blue screen crash. This issue is often linked to a faulty RAM, corrupt system files, outdated drivers or disk error. If left unresolved, it can lead to frequent system crashes and data loss. So to fix this issue, click on Windows button and type View Advanced System Settings and click on it. System properties will open. Now under the Performance, click on Settings. Under the Performance option, select Advanced tab and click on Change under the Virtual Memory. Unselect the Automatically Manage Paging file for all size if selected. Then select the No Paging file and click on Set button. Now click OK and OK. That's it. Now you'll have to run some commands to fix it completely and quickly. So here is the quick fix. Click on Windows button, type CMD and run the command prompt as an administrator. Please note that we are going to run some Windows command that may take some time to scan and fix the error, so patience is highly required. Once open, type the following commands: DISM /online /cleanup image /ScanHealth. Press the enter button. Once that has finished, type the next command: DISM /online /cleanup image /RestoreHealth. And press the enter button. And once that has finished, type the final command: SFC /scan now. And press the enter button. Once that has finished, restart your PC and your problem should be resolved. Stay safe.